Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you make ground beef not dry? Leaner blends have less fat, thus less shrinkage. Generally, the higher the cooking temperature, the greater the shrinkage, so cook ground beef at a moderate temperature rather than high heat. Overcooking will result in a dry, tasteless result as the juices evaporate. Why is my ground beef so dry? The main reason why ground beef dries out is when it's overcooked. When you cook the meat, it loses water content and the fat gets rendered out. And since ground beef is normally cooked to well done for health reasons, it's really easy to dry it out. Why do you add water to ground beef? Adding liquid, any liquid, to ground meat, helps break up the clumps. You could use beer or wine or stock, but that all seems a bit fancy for a taco seasoning packet. Sure, it might help the seasonings dissolve and make a sauce too, but the main reason is the clumps. How do I make minced meat soft? Place the minced meat in a bowl, then add some milk and use your hands to combine together well. As you mix, you will feel the meat becoming softer and any lumps just melt away. To cook, just melt a little butter in a frying pan and add the meat and milk mixture. Do you add oil to cook ground beef? Adding oil is optional but recommended for better browning. Add the meat to the pan and break it into large pieces. Use a wooden spoon, fish spatula, or other sturdy spatula to break the meat up into large pieces in the pan. Let it brown for several minutes. How do you make beef moist? Brining makes meat juicier. Unbrined meat loses 30% of its moisture, while brined meat loses only 15%. Make a brine by combining 1 cup of salt to 1 gallon of water. Brine the meat about 4 hours and rinse thoroughly.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.